warmth of the summer, I get lost in the colors, golden hours in your eyes.
Wo willst du dich denn hinsetzen?
I'm buying all of this.
Today I didn't vlog much. I'm not feeling like it. You know, when you feel like you don't want to talk at all and you just want to relax and enjoy the landscape and the scenery. I'm in Büyükada, which is the biggest island in Princes Island. It's been a short journey of 2 hours by ferry, and oh gosh, it's so worth it. I really miss it, nature and a bit of peace and silence and relaxation. This place is highly hikeable, so I'm hiking up the hill at the moment, and the views are really beautiful. I'm back on the trail after a huge lunch. I'm going towards the viewpoint based on what I found on Google Maps, so wish me good luck. Did to at least one of the viewpoints here, and it's super peaceful now. It's not touristic at all, so well, I give you this tip. It's a tip because I don't think many people know, but if you look up on Google Maps the name of the island's viewpoint, then it comes up and you can come here. Literally nobody is around, just the two guys that were here before, and they were filming, and it took them some time. It's really nice. So I had a chat with these two guys from one of the countries in Central Asia, Uzbekistan, I think. I'm not sure. Don't remember now, but they gave me, well, I'll look it up, but they gave me this chocolate and they said that this is the flag of their country, so I need to do some research. I really appreciate the gesture. It was really nice. Oh gosh, it's so nice here and so peaceful. Here again, my friends from Central Asia.
Hello.
Hi. We meet again.
Hello.
Well, amazing viewpoint here.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear.
Bir şey diyeceğim, ben çek.
For now it's fine, waste of our time, out where the stars forget to shine. Cityscapes askew, stuck inside at noon.
So I got an ice cream and I sat down, but yeah, there is a cat, so it doesn't want to move, and we are sharing it.